Taiwan has announced a significant increase in its defense budget, unveiling a $40 billion plan to counteract growing threats from China. This move underscores Taiwan's commitment to bolstering its national security in the face of escalating tensions and potential aggression from Beijing. In Europe, Poland has taken a decisive step to enhance its naval capabilities by selecting Sweden's Saab A-26 submarines in a $2.52 billion deal. This strategic acquisition is set to replace Poland's aging Kilo-class submarines, marking a significant upgrade in its maritime defense infrastructure. Meanwhile, speculation is rife about Japan potentially halting exports of photoresist to China, a critical material for semiconductor manufacturing. This rumor has stirred unease in Chinese markets, highlighting the fragile interdependencies in global supply chains and the potential for geopolitical tensions to disrupt them. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, has secured a $100 million contract to develop the stand-in attack weapons subsystem aimed at enhancing U.S. strike capabilities. Despite this contract win, Northrop Grumman's stock saw a slight dip of 0.41%, closing at $567.11, reflecting cautious investor sentiment. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, experienced a 1.36% rise to $165.77. This increase is attributed to the positive momentum from NATO and Ukraine's new Defense Innovation Initiative, which is expected to drive further investment in defense technologies. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, saw a modest gain of 0.26%, closing at $279.19. The company's involvement in Ukraine's drone technology advancements, particularly the improved accuracy of FPV drones, has positioned it well in the evolving defense landscape. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, rose by 0.66% to $138.72 amid rumors of Japan's potential photoresist export ban to China. This development could shift supply chains, benefiting companies like Amphenol that are integral to the electronics sector. Rheinmetall AG, ticker symbol RHM.DE, climbed 1.87% to $1,495.50, buoyed by the news of Poland's submarine deal. This contract highlights Rheinmetall's strategic role in European defense and its potential for future growth in the region. General Dynamics, ticker symbol GD, faced a slight decline of 0.30%, closing at $340.04. This drop follows the U.S. Navy's decision to cancel the Constellation frigate program, which introduces uncertainty into future shipbuilding contracts and impacts related defense stocks. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Taiwan's defense budget increase signals opportunities in Asian defense markets. 2. Poland's submarine deal boosts European naval defense prospects. 3. Monitor Japan-China tensions for semiconductor supply chain impacts.